Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. Wonder. This exciting adventure introduces the incredible Wonder Flower, which dramatically transforms levels in unexpected ways, offering fresh challenges and discoveries. You'll also encounter the powerful Elephant Fruit, granting Mario and friends new abilities like smashing blocks and spraying water. Remember to collect Wonder Seeds to progress and unlock new areas, and gather flower coins for bonus rewards. Explore the vibrant Poplin Kingdom with diverse characters, each bringing unique flair to your journey. Beyond the Elephant Fruit, Super Mario Bros. Wonder offers a fantastic array of new power-ups to master. The Drill Mushroom allows you to burrow into the ground or ceiling, creating new pathways and surprising enemies. With the Bubble Flower, you can launch projectiles that trap foes or create platforms. Don't forget the new badge system, which lets you equip one special ability, like a helpful parachute cap or a powerful coin magnet, to tailor your gameplay experience. The Poplin Kingdom is a vibrant world filled with secrets waiting to be uncovered. There are 6 main worlds, each with unique themes and challenges. To fully progress and unlock every path, aim to collect 100% of the Wonder Seeds found in each level and challenge. Additionally, every main stage contains 3 large flower coins. Gathering these will earn you extra rewards. Keep an eye out for hidden exits, as they often lead to secret levels and even more surprises. Super Mario Bros. Wonder is even more fun with friends. You can team up with up to 4 players locally, working together to conquer levels. If a teammate falls, simply touch their ghost or a standee to revive them, keeping the action flowing. For those looking to master the game, practice advanced moves like precise wall jumps and powerful ground pounds. Don't hesitate to revisit levels. Many secrets, including hidden Wonder Seeds and flower coins, are often missed on the first playthrough, encouraging thorough exploration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.